This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 19th, 2025. I am currently in a long position on Bitcoin. Actually, just clicked off here. In a long position in Bitcoin, I'll walk you through what I have here. Took some earlier positions here in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through them really quickly. This morning here, I took a position. You get the bearish fair value gap pattern coming here at the high end of the range here, and then selling off or sell side delivery here. Let me move this Fibonacci retracement. Okay. Here, getting the bearish fair value gap formation, the three buy side delivery candles, two sell side delivery candles, fair value gap right here, and then this orange line here showing the market structure, and here getting the market structure shift. So getting the correct formation, getting the fair value gap, and getting the market structure shift. Took an entry on pullback here at the high end of the fair value gap. Could have taken an entry here, but I wasn't quite prepared for the entry, so took one here. And then sell side delivery here, consolidation, then further sell side delivery here. What was it here in this area? Here in this consolidation area here, this is actually where I would have taken profits initially. It gave a second opportunity to take profits and I didn't take it. The reason is I failed to identify this fair value gap right here. After I realized that, you can see with this price action, this sell side delivery, there's a fair value gap here that gets closed in with this candle, but it stopped short of this fair value gap, but this one was a little small and I didn't see it. I looked past it, didn't see anything in here, and just went to this one from yesterday. So when I missed this one, it made contact 1 and 2, and then began to pull back here. So when that happened, it got my attention. I realized I had by the time it was trading back to the buy side, I realized I had missed the fair value gap when I saw this price action here. I moved my stop loss back to just above the market structure shift level back here. And then I noticed that Bitcoin was setting up again for another bearish fair value gap pattern. You can see the three buy side delivery candles here. Three buy side candles here. Then we're getting the two sell side delivery candles here. I actually get three in this one. Then get the fair value gap here, and this candle here with the orange line showing the market structure shift, which happens here. So getting the three things that I want to see here to take a position, and this would be a continuation instead of a reversal here. So here getting the continuation, and then when this continuation comes in, I go ahead and take an exit at my planned exit here, which is at the rebalance of this fair value gap. So it actually gave a third opportunity here, and I took that opportunity, and I also set a range order for the fair value gap that was located right here, which is the same thing in conjunction with this market structure shift level. And then price pulled back after reaching target here. Pull back, I was able to take an entry here. You can see sell side, consolidation, sell side, and I'm able to take profit down here. So these were my trades from the AM session, and then one last trade during the AM session, this trade that I'm in currently. This trade was executed here off of the 15-minute chart. So what I have here is, you can see this is the range from the previous session here coming into this session. Or at least with this session here being sell side delivery and the previous session being buy side delivery. But with this session here being sell side delivery, and then these purple lines are the structural range here. So the structural range at the time was bearish. It was to the sell side. So I was looking for long opportunities. I execute this trading system opposing the structure, the market structure on the 15. But what I'm seeing here is the same pattern. So we get the getting a bullish fair value gap pattern. So seeing these 3 candles, and actually in this situation it's actually 6 candles, so likely on a higher time frame, and then getting these 2 buy side delivery candles, which actually turns out to be 3 candles here, and then you're getting the fair value gap here, and then here, where are we at here? We may be short of the market structure shift here. Let's move this fair value gap out of the way. There's no market structure shift here on the 15-minute. So this trade may be premature. I was actually doing some other stuff, came in and looked at my chart and saw the pattern set up here, but I'm not seeing the market structure shift here. For example, it would need to be here for this candle here, but it never broke out here, never broke out. So the pattern is set up here on the 15-minute, but there's been no market structure shift, or at least not as of yet. Also, if you look at this again, you're seeing the bullish fair value gap pattern setting up here, and then you can see the fair value gap that's setting up here. So this was likely premature, these 2 positions, since I'm not seeing the fair value gap. This is also the first time I've seen this set up on the 15-minute, so not seeing the fair value gap in here, but starting to see the potential for the fair value gap in here now, and then this may be the level for the market structure shift, because right now we're still here in a downtrend. Let me double check on this. So here, 4. So this would have initiated this, and then you're getting buy side delivery, so I moved the stop lower, and then more buy side delivery, so I'm moving the stop up. So still in a downtrend, and then another leg lower in the downtrend here. So this is still very, very short here. This is not there's been no market structure shift here. So even though there is a fair value gap there, my excitement got me into this position prematurely here. But maybe putting in a fair value gap here, or maybe failing here. There is a market structure shift here on the 5-minute, even though the pattern doesn't. This may be why the pattern has been holding here. You can see the sell-off here, and this is the level that I had marked here on the 5-minute for this market structure shift for this particular trade, even though this hasn't occurred on the 15-minute yet. But you can see here in this candle here, like this 845 area, or these 3 candles here, that's this area here, seeing the market structure shift come in here, And then you can see here with this level, there's a market structure shift here on another level here. So no market structure shift on the 15-minute, but the structure is holding up here on the 5-minute. This is putting in, this is close the gap here, so there won't be a fair value gap here. There's still 10 minutes left in this candle, so if it turns into a buy side delivery candle, it may provide the opportunity for putting in an additional fair value gap here. So setting up here off the 15, but using the 5-minute to get a more in-depth feel here of what I have trading. And actually, while I'm at it, let me get these two entries up on the 5-minute chart. So 9:55 and 10:06. Okay. 9:55 here, 10:06. So I actually had a power outage, and I couldn't. Was unable to enter the position, or at least seeing it in a hurry, I entered it, and then I wanted to modify it since it was coming off the 15-minute instead of the 5, and then I lost electricity and was unable to put that order in until I got my backup internet back on, and then was able to come back in and make the second position, which is here. And I'll move that one up down here. So to me, this would explain why Bitcoin has been struggling, just because it's set up here on the 15-minute, but then there's not been the market structure shift until here on the 5-minute. Well, actually, I won't need this line here because I'm just trading structure there. So the structure will change. Okay. And this is what I was mentioning. If there was buy side delivery here on this candle, that it could still start the fair value gap formation here. And potentially there could be some displacement that could take the or that could create a market structure shift here on the 15 to catch up to the 5-minute. But currently the fair value gap formation is in place, but minus the fair value gap currently. But if this candle, which has 7 minutes remaining in it, closes green, then a following candle could put in a fair value gap, or at least the following two candles. The next candle would need to be a buy side delivered candle, and that is if this candle holds up here. And ideally wanting to take this entry at this time before lunch, before the lunch break at New York. Even though this is a non-trading day, the algorithm, from what I've observed, still delivers price in a similar way, regardless of the day, with crypto market being open 7 days a week. And then we'll take a look at my tickets. So these three, or those three tickets here, I took a position here in the PM session yesterday, and then wound up taking them off when my first morning trade set up. So I was targeting a higher target in the range, and then this market structure shift right here happened. So when the market structure shift came in, I liquidated my that long position back there, and then triggered this short position, which is also part of the reason why it took me a while to get into this position here. But these tickets are from trades from yesterday's PM session that I closed out. This is the first trade of the day, and this is the second trade here of the day. And then currently these two positions here are still outstanding, and these are the current positions from the AM session today. And currently getting some buy-side delivery here. And leaving some space here for there to be a potential fair value gap here in this area. And price consolidating here near the 117.950 level. 117.950 and 117.980. Price currently consolidating. Getting some sell side delivery here. So this current 15-minute candle has put in a new 15-minute high from the previous candle. Now currently trading in the middle of the trading range here on the middle of the structural range here on the 15-minute. You can see price is currently at the equilibrium level in comparison to the previous range. And then stop loss, both of the stop losses are the same for this position, or for these two positions. Both stop losses are here. This low here on the 15-minute, that's where my stop loss is. And then for target, we're up here, targeting this, targeting the rebalance of this fair value gap right here. So the first position is, this position is a potential 2-to-1 risk to reward, and this position is a potential 5-to-1 risk to reward. So overall, about a 3.5 risk to reward on this particular position here. Getting some sell side delivery here, 117.920. But price trading above, currently trading above this market structure shift level here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle and current 15-minute candle. Looks like this candle may close to the sell side here on the 15-minute. But this would potentially put in a lower swing high, which would make the potential for a market structure shift on the 15 a bit closer within reach here if the buy side delivery here can continue in the following candle or two. So from a technical perspective, I'm not entirely certain this is a trade that I want to be in yet, just because the market structure shift requirement on the 15-minute chart has yet to take place, and this trade is based off the 15-minute chart. So I'm still uncertain if it's a great idea or not, even though there have been 2 levels of market structure shift on the 5-minute for the same position. But it remains to be seen how this trade will work out. I'll continue to monitor it as the day goes on here, and if all goes well, I'll continue to see some buy-side delivery here on Bitcoin and potentially get to target here. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the New York PM session.